Hello everyone. In today's episode of our Cooking with Millet series, we'll be making Jowar Roti. Jowar rotis can be a little tricky to make because the flour lacks gluten, but with a few helpful tips, you can make soft rotis easily. I have taken 1.5 cups of jowar flour. We'll use an equal amount of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then add a pinch of salt. Add the jowar flour and turn off the heat. It is important to add the flour and immediately turn off the heat to prevent the flour from overcooking. Stir well until the water is absorbed and the flour comes together, forming a sticky dough. Continue mixing until the water is fully absorbed. At this point, allow the dough to cool down slightly, not too much though, as kneading while it is still warm is essential for achieving the right texture. The cooling process should only take a few minutes until the dough is just cool enough to handle without burning your hands. Add a teaspoon of oil and knead well until the dough becomes soft and pliable. This step is crucial to ensure that your rotis won't crack and will remain soft. Once the dough is ready, take a small portion of it. Dust your work surface with jowar flour to prevent sticking. Using your fingers, gently pat and shape the dough ball to smooth out any cracks. This is traditionally done by hand to maintain the softness and texture of the roti. However, you can use the rolling pin to make the roti. If using a rolling pin, apply gentle even pressure and roll out the rotis. Now heat a pan on medium heat. Place the roti on the hot pan and cook on low heat. To prevent cracking of the roti, apply a thin layer of water on the surface of the roti using a damp cloth. Flip the roti and press lightly to help it puff up. Continue cooking for another minute or so, flipping it once if needed until both sides are evenly cooked. Repeat this process with the remaining dough, ensuring each roti is cooked to perfection. Your jowar rotis are now ready to be served. I have paired mine with methi matar malai, peanut chutney, pickle and a fresh salad. You can serve it with any veg or non-veg curry of your choice. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try out this recipe, do let me know in the comment section how did this turn out for you. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching.